Hey folks, this is Jeff Bennett from J&B Guided Fishing. Out in the woods tonight, late afternoon, October 18th, 2017. A lot of leaves falling, all the colors are really changing. We're just waiting for the rocking chair buck to come by. We know he's out here. Great night to be out, a little windy, but not too bad. We're in the hills of Yuba, Wisconsin, in southern western Wisconsin. Leaves are awesome. They're turning completely already. Most of the trees, a lot of them falling. The wind's knocking them down. Beautiful day to be out. Seen one doe so far. Hills of Yuba, Wisconsin, where the fire in the hills is. Awesome time. Well, gonna shut things off and get ready. Prime time for bow hunting is getting close for the night. Everybody have a great season. Signing off.